At TriggerMesh, our vision is to build a cloud-native integration platform. Integration platform, basically what we've been doing in the enterprise for quite a while, integrating different applications together, usually through some type of messaging system, point A to point B, going through a messaging channel. It goes back to some of the basic principles of service-oriented architecture, enterprise service bus, and so on. So in some ways, we're still doing exactly the same thing. We are building apps, we're integrating applications. The big differentiator here is that we're now doing it in a cloud-native manner. What does this mean? It means that the building blocks are containerized. They run usually in a platform like Kubernetes. Plus, being cloud-native, it means that a lot of the endpoints we're trying to integrate come from the cloud, right? They come from infrastructure clouds, very generic clouds like Google. They come from ad hoc clouds like Salesforce, like Twilio, and so on, right? So that's what we mean by cloud native. It's an integration challenge that brings multiple clouds together plus on-premises applications that are containerized. And what we do at TriggerMesh, we have this motto of integrating, automating all these integration, and then doing this so that we can accelerate the time to market when you're building a new app and bringing it to your customers, right? So integrate, automate, accelerate. That's what we're trying to do by building this new cloud-native integration platform. The automation is very key because we believe here in building integration as code. We want those integrations to be defined through an API, which is going to be an open API, very friendly to the entire Kubernetes ecosystem. So you have to think about Kubernetes API objects used to declare those integrations. And of course, when we think integration as code, this means that this can be driven by your CI/CD system and continuously being delivered, to your infrastructure and to your setup.